Welcome to qnawire.
So the formula for the amount of material remaining after some radioactive decay is N equals N naught times 2 to the negative T divided by the half-life. So N over N naught is just going to be 2 to the negative T divided by the half-life. So for part A, we're using T equals 5 years. So we're doing 2 to the negative 5 years divided by the half-life, which is 5,730. 5,730. This gives us an answer of um, 0.999 as our ratio. So now for part B, here we're using 1 hour instead. So 2 to the negative 1 hour divided by the half-life is in seconds, so 122.2 seconds, and there are 3,600 seconds per 1 hour. 1 hour. This gives us a ratio of 1.35 times 10 to the ninth. And then lastly, we're going to use, so C, 2 to the negative 5 years divided by the half-life, which is 12.33 years. This gives us a ratio of 0.755. 755, which gives us an answer consistent with the problem 12, the example 12.